G'day, here's a deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. It's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in a bit. Some of these are just practice pieces. That bit, need to grind the top off. Some pieces in these deals that I've just put up have basically been thrown in. I'd rather see you have it than myself. That way the price of the deal hasn't been influenced by the number of pieces but what I think's in the deal. So that piece, for example, you need to grind down a bit more to expose the face. You can see the face of opal underneath there. Good practice material to get the feel of chasing the veins. Piece has got quite a nice flash through it there. Pieces like this you can just slice and make out a little pendant straight using the parent stone as part of the shape of the stone. Piece like that, you can see there's a larger seam here, so cut the top off, end up with one little pendant, and then chase that down. Nice little bit of blue. The thing with Boulder Opal is a lot of the time it is very thin, like that piece there. That's a nice little stone. This piece, found in amongst it, it's some piece of Koroite, and you can see a colour bar just here, so that's an interesting piece. Again, just face that the way it is, make it into a pendant. Perhaps you could even cut it in two, probably not, a bit thin maybe, but make that the face perhaps. Lucky last, this piece, just been thrown in, just nice patterned stone, a little bit of opal on the end. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.